4-point spray. Back with another video. We went to the track last night. The single cab couldn't make it, unfortunately. It was misfiring real bad, and we didn't want to fuck it up because she's now spraying like y'all seen. What happened was my brother and my dad changed the spark plugs, forgot to gap them, put them in there. Then it misfired. We pulled them out, got the plugs again. Well, gapped the plugs, and it still misfired. So we parked it up, and we're gonna fuck with it today. After we go drop my truck off, we're gonna go put a true dual header all the way back. So yeah, I ran a 9.6 yesterday, but I felt it driving like shit. It would die out on top end. I think it was just because I was heat soaking it. It was just idling and the temps were rising. But the fucking tires work good. No spinning or nothing. So I ran a 9.6 heads cam stall 4.8. I'm just gonna check the oil before we leave. And yeah, we'll be on the way to XPX to get rid of these jams. Fucking left my hood open all night. I was supposed to check the oil when I got home last night. Never did. So, time to get rid of those manifolds. Put some actual headers. And, yeah. Make this bitch sound nasty. We'll update y'all in a little bit. Currently on the way there. That exhaust is located on Tidwell. My boy Gustavo. He's pretty much the one that did the muffler on this, the cat delete. I've been going to him for a while. He did Victor's GTO. He did his cat list, and then he did a bunch of shit for Victor to the GTO, and then he did my brother Xavier's truck. He put his carb in a while back, but recently who did Xavier's shit was Al's Performance. But I'll go right here local to the hood. Keep it local. I don't want to go all the way to Stinkadena. I don't know if y'all can hear me if there's too much wind, but yeah. We got Xavier in the back. Get these things put on real quick. We'll probably stick around for a little bit, see, because he said it's probably gonna take him all day because he has another car he's doing headers on, and we'll see what's up right now when we pull up. Exhaust. I got my truck on the lift. Trying to get rid of these shit ass exhausts. Trying to get rid of all this shit. Let it look stock no more. Everything looking good under here, no hole on the block. That's it right there. Speed engineering? Yeah. That's that. you was about to get cancer, what?
Yeah, no, we're about to cut him off.
He was telling me. Boy Marky rolled up. That nigga whooped my ass yesterday.
Wicka, 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 wicka.
Your Instagram up. I got your Instagram. I see you following me. I'll put you up too if you follow me, yeah. So, quedó. Hell yeah. Ya quedó, muchas gracias. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Time to pay up. There it is, guys. Headers installed all the way back to MagnaFlow. No, yeah, MagnaFlow. X pipe / muffler thing. It sounds good when you read it right now. We're gonna see right now what it sounds like when we drive. Let's get on it. Oh yeah, she liking it. Sounds way better. Perfect, bro. This is exactly what I wanted. There's no fucking raspiness. There's no clapping. Hell yeah. This is it right there. Y'all hit up my boys right there at XPX. Hit up the whole crew. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. We'll do a little walk around when I get home, so you can hear a little bit of the idle a little more when it's warmed up already. And then maybe do a cold start later if we take it out and let it sit for a while. But yeah, she fucking sounds good. We just got home. Something, huh? It's clacking a little bit. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Good. A little cold start with the new exhaust.
Never ask nothing from no nigga. I slide through the crib with some gold on my fist, nigga. We never tripped on you hoe niggas. I leave some shots on your block. If you thought you was hot, you a cold nigga. If niggas want pain, I go Martin with Tommy.